So pairing your phone on the new Acadias, if you do go to your Bluetooth screen, of course you'll scroll down to where your other devices you can search for. You'll go to your phone. It'll automatically tell you to connect the phone. It'll say add phone here. It'll search for my GMC, which will populate. You'll hit it on your phone. Now the code already populates to the code of the car, so you just put pair and pair. On your phone, it'll ask you to allow favorites and contacts to sync, so you'll hit allow. You'll notice it shows the phone up here. Now, outgoing and incoming calls can come into the car, but you also have to remember there's this little pencil icon. You hit this, it'll say first to connect, and you'll select. If you do not select it, it will not connect to your phone when you do get into the car the next time you start it up. And then thus, if you do have a spouse, children hooking up their phone to the car, you can choose them as secondary. So then their phone will be the second one to connect if you're not in the car. And then thus you can allow incoming calls to come into the car on their phone.